what neuroscience is telling us is you don't actually have a separate mind and body. Your mind is somehow generated by the squishy stuff and the hard thing that's resting on your shoulders. Neuroscience advances are abutting against core beliefs, sort of people's either intuition about the world or their religious beliefs, or it can simply be what your peer group believes. Mental illnesses reflect altered brain function. They come about as a result of changes or differences in brain function. That was revolutionary. That was absolutely revolutionary, especially if you think your mother did it to you, right? Your mother didn't do it. It's in your brain. Now, it could be your mother messed up your brain, but we'll worry about that another time. The more important point it told us, and this was heretical at the time, that mental illnesses are brain diseases. They're not about weakness. They're not about a failure of will. They're not about just poor parenting that has gone on. This was the most liberating discovery for the families of the mentally ill, who felt terribly responsible and terribly guilty, and sadly, too much of society still believes that way, and in fact stigmatizes not only mentally ill individuals, but their families as well. Addiction is a brain disease. It's expressed in the form of compulsive behavior, so it's sort of not just a brain disease, but it is in fact fundamentally and at its core a brain disease. The idea of a war on drugs in the purest sense is dumb. It isn't going to work. That doesn't mean legalize drugs. It just means it's too simplistic.